Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get your Instagram well securing aspect and well securing infrastructure so you won't get hacked once again of your Instagram account. All what you need to do, which is with selfie verification before opening your account ever. All what you need to do, go for your profile icon, then go for three dots this one, then go for account settings, and then you will go for password and security. And then here guys, the first thing that you need to go, which is verification selfie, in which Instagram account that you want that verification. You will just go for next one, press OK, and continue the process with email code, and then you will just getting your selfie is on, because my account is very new and fresh one, so I can do that. So you will get first your email code verification, and then you will get the selfie process, and then save the link, and your account will be only open with selfie verification process. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Peace.